Hey everyone, in today's video we're going into a new product research tool to help you absolutely crush it in 2019. Let's go. Hey everyone, we're going to go straight into this new product research tool. Don't forget to subscribe to more videos and hit that like button. Let's jump straight into it. So the product research tool is called Sales Source. I only recently found out about this tool. Very handy tool. I just want to outline a couple of benefits before we jump into the back end of it. You can find the best products by niche, which is really handy. Like they've got tons of niches there. Find best products by trending. So that's just everything. It's not just by niche. Even their video, which is absolutely awesome. You can search again by AliExpress link or images. You can search by the Shopify store link or the actual store link or the whole URL. You can, again, search by videos. It has a store checklist, which is actually just really cool. It's like a filter option. I haven't used that enough. It has a Chrome extension that comes with it that you can use to help and understand more information about the product as well. It's a part of your subscription with it. It can analyze the product easily for you, so it has a product analyzer. And I also just wanted to add, I still recommend, if you haven't already, use SimilarWeb Chrome extension. It's free, and Commerce Inspector or Shopify Inspector, which are free extensions as well. So let's jump straight into it. Here is the back end, and I've just started a trial I was curious about. I thought it's actually a really good tool. So it's got an overview. It's got really good training as well. If you're ever unsure, it's got plenty of great training there. So it's got a product analyzer, so you can upload images or drag and drop. Basically, you can get the AliExpress or Shopify link, so it can actually analyze it for you. So I'll just show you that now. So I just got this product here that I found on AliExpress, and we can see all the information about it, the total amount that we can choose on the products tab. It's got the various other ones relating to this. It's got competitors. It takes a bit for that to load. And the description, the product videos, which you actually can try and find videos on it, and that you can download it, and you can upload more images as well. Really cool, easy to use tool. You can see here as well, this is really cool. You can see top stores, okay? And what you're going to see, admittedly, like for the first however many pages, is just stores around primarily clothing, swimwear, gym clothes, knickknacks. You have to go to way back before you're going to really start seeing dropshipping stores, because the major stores on Shopify are proper brands. And if we, again, have a look at, and sometimes this takes a bit to load, you got this store checklist, which, as I said, is just a filter option. By default, this one is on. So you can read through all these. I'm not going to read through them all, but it gives you plenty of ideas of free software to use, like Canva, GIMP, Film Aura, which is free, DaVinci Resolve, free for video editing. So that's just a checklist, which is really cool. So you can see here, I've just brought up Gymshark as just a perfect example. It's really cool how you can see how long ago it was created. Their estimated sales in a month is ridiculous. These are a major brand. They've worked very hard. You can see their Facebook ad campaigns. I don't think I can because I'm not actually logged into Facebook right now. But if you were, you can see all of that. You can see all their products, as simple as that. So if you ever find a store that you wanted to know more of, do that. Give it 2-3 minutes and it will show you their best sellers, how much in sales, and you can see that they're absolutely crushing it. Absolutely crushing it. All right, and then what's cool is you can find best-selling products based off niche. As I was saying, they've got a ton of different niches here, which is just really handy for us all. So for us dropshippers, I just want to give some tips. Okay, bags, beauty, health. All of these work well. I've always been skeptical of electronics on a personal basis due to warranty and likelihood of them breaking. So just be careful of that. Furniture, it would be a bit hard to do furniture, but I reckon home and garden DIY would be really good, because as you can see, as soon as we go into here, we've got just tons of need items that solve problems. These are the types of items that most people are selling that are really cool. I haven't seen heaps of these. I've never seen this like this. Ginger garlic grinding, which is cool. That's, we all like to do that. You just get tons of items. Of course, you're going to see items that we've seen a ton of times before, like this one, but probably I've never seen that one personally. There's plenty of new items, like that's cool. That's perfect for washing. That's another great item for cake making. Oh, look at that. That's cool as well. Oh, that is cool. But anyway, so you get tons of ideas, because a lot of people ask me, do general stores still work? Yes, they do. I just personally prefer niche stores. It does limit yourself, but with tools like this, like, you're not really going to have much of a problem. Let's be honest. It's really, really helpful. But if you do want to do general store, stick to home and garden, DIY. Okay, those are generally the better niches. All of these work, but like, you're going to find a lot of items here that are definitely going to be winning items for you quickly and easily. And if we open up any of them, okay, so if you can see the price, the total amount of orders, so you can tell how much of a winning product is, like 136,000. We can view it on AliExpress quickly and easily. We can go from there. Okay, so $2 you would easily sell this. I would sell it for $20 to give an idea. Moving on. So you have best-selling products of all time. Now, a lot of these are electronics and stuff, like phone cases, all of that. I recommend that you would go to, like, a number of pages back before you find other items. You're going to start seeing a lot of clothing and jewelry and stuff as well. Those are always the ones that generally sell the best. It does take a bit, apparently, because I'm on a trial. Okay, so I can only see up to page 3. I didn't know that. Because I only signed up for this. I am going to be using it, though, for my new store. But you can see here, like all of the electronics anyway. So after, once you paid fully, then I recommend that, have a look at the pages further back, because that's where you're probably going to really see items that we can market. Like, don't market this. It's a branded item. We all know that. If we have a look here at trending now, we can see items that are trending right now, which is like items based on AliExpress, and we can see view on live store, which is really, really handy for us. Like this item I've shown ages ago, someone's clearly marketing it and getting sales. Okay, I don't know where around the world, but they'll be clearly getting sales. We can see a number of cool items here. This one caught my attention, this backpack chair. Never seen this item, but I thought it was a pretty cool item. And this is what's really cool as well, is you can, it's to find stores and that really quickly, really easily as well. I don't know how many sales these people have actually gotten, but this is a cool item, perfect for camping. So if I was to market this, for those wondering, what would I market? Who would I market to? People that like camping, people that like outdoors, people that like adventure, people that like holidays, camping brands, like as in, tents, tent brands, clothing for adventure and outdoors. What is it? The North Shore or whatever the hell that one's called that everyone loves. Anyway, so that's what I would do. You can see here, this is a cool one. Gas detector alarm. I don't know how much of a winning product that would be, admittedly, though. These light mask therapy masks are really, really trending right now for women's skin, and I don't know enough about them, so to be honest. So I'm not going to comment with that. But you can see as well, what's really cool is you can see ones with videos, and you can easily filter by different options. So I would, again, most people that are running general stores, go to the home filter tab, and you can then try and find a number of winning items. Adjustable bathroom shower sprinkler, that's a cool one. This is definitely a winning item. I've seen tons of people market that. And again, you can just go back further and further and look at other items and just use their videos. But I don't recommend using their videos 100%. I am planning to release a video on showing how to do more of that in the future, but I do recommend that you make your own video, because it does reduce your CPMs and can make the winning product for yourself. Okay, so then you've got products you can import, and then you can analyze so you can get factory pricing as well, and you can import from Shopify. Those, just have a look at. Those are pretty straightforward. They even do store reviews for you. Okay, so it does take a couple of days from what I read, but it's pretty cool. You can they will professionally review your store. But if you've watched personally any of my other videos, I pretty much teach you how. So you you should know how. You don't need the most amazing theme to have a winning product at all, okay guys? But this product is really cool. They are expanding on it quite rapidly. It's definitely growing up, and that's partly due to other YouTubers as well also promoting it. I come across it partly from that, and I wanted to present it to you guys. I thought it was really good. I like how it gives you monthly webinars and training. You got live support, expert support. You've got a ton of tools. Okay, so it's an all-in-one ton of tools. And again, it's $49 a month. So if you click my link, that is an affiliate link. You do get a 7-day free trial where you can cancel anytime. Okay, guys. But this is a really cool tool. I'm bringing this to you because a lot of people asked me. I've been providing a lot of free tools. People have been asking me for premium tools. Personally, was actually quite surprised. So I thought, why not? We'll make this video. So with this tool, in all honesty, if you have a tool like this, you're probably not going to need another product research tool all that much. It really does do 99% of the work for you. So you can focus on making your creative, marketing the product, getting the sales through the door. Rinse, repeat, rinse. Thanks so much for watching today. If you did like today's video, don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and comment, crush it, to go on the chance to win a 30-minute call with myself, Ricky Hayes, announced in the next video. Every call there will be a winner from now on. I really enjoy doing those. Get the sales source. There's a link in the description below. That is a 7-day free trial. That is an affiliate link. Is 100% transparency. Don't forget that. As well as check in the description for other free resources like my product winning cheat sheet down below. You can download that. It is yours, and plenty of other resources. If you do want to join my various other premium programs, there's links below as well for my course, as well as my mentoring program. People absolutely love that, and I absolutely love doing it. It's so much fun. That's why I love to provide it. Tell me in the comments below as well what else you would like to see. I really am trying to tailor it and improve the whole experience for everyone. I hope that you have been enjoying the videos. I really have been trying my absolute best there. Also up on screen now, you should see some videos for other product research tools, being Big Spy and DropPoint. Okay, very, very helpful for you. I recommend checking those out. They'll help you with even more creatives. And check out my other videos, guys. Just tons of value there to get started. People are already starting to hit a K a day just watching my YouTube videos. I really do try and give as much value as possible. Let's get to 10K subs by the end of the year. I really would love to hit that number. I really look forward to hitting that all with you. I hope you all have a lovely day now. Take care and goodbye.